This is my test of the iRobot Roomba. As you can see, I've just got it and I've unpacked all the equipment. It contains this virtual wall. What you do is that you just set it up like here next to the wall, and you press on and it creates a virtual wall all the way through the floor. And what this does is that it makes a virtual wall so the Roomba doesn't drive through there. Also, you have a charger. This one is 120. Since I live in Norway, I have to have a converter. This is it. Big thing. Yeah, and also you have the charging station. This is it. Now, what's great about the Roomba is that it charges itself when it doesn't have any battery. It's just it's gonna drive to the station and charge. Also, if it's running out of batteries, it will just run to the charging station and charge itself. Then it remembers where it left and just continues to work. Here's the lovely Roomba. It's actually quite big. Not really big, but it fits perfectly under like a stool or sofa. Here we have a clean button, also a spot. This one detects dirt itself and removes it. And also, if you want to go to the docking station, you just press dock and it will drive to the docking station. It has this kind of a bumper, so when it hits something, we just press inside this and yeah, it will turn around. And also you have a sensor all the way around here, which detects if there are any obstacles, and also this will detect dirt. Yeah, and if it meets any obstacles, it will slow down and encounter the difficulties or the blockings. Yeah, I think I'll just charge it up and you will see it running. Just to see, I have collected some dirt. It's a bit difficult to see, but I have made sort of a mess here, and I'll try to cover up as good as I can. Also, now I will try to charge it up and you will see it running. Yeah, I've now connected the charging station, and here you can see it docked in the charger. And you can see this orange light blinking, means it's charging. Yeah, could try firing it up. Makes a funny sound. It's backing up and it's off. You can see that it copes really fine with obstacles. And also this one has advanced chord system, so it detects chords and yeah, it doesn't get caught up in the chords. And there you can see it slowing down as it meets an obstacle. And also it has this blue light telling you where it found dirt. So that's gonna blink when it finds like special places where it's dirt. And the Roomba remember these places, and it will go back and clean more if it needs to.
Yeah, so what happens now is got really tangled in the wires, but fortunately it has this wire detection, so it managed to pull out. And actually done that a couple of times now, and it doesn't seem to be a really big problem. At least it doesn't.
Yeah, so now it's been running for about half an hour, and it was the first charge up, so I didn't get to charge it all the way, just used the battery that was delivered with it. So that's why it didn't run for really long. But even though it's run for just half an hour, it's done a pretty good job. We can take a look and see if there's any crap. Yeah, this is just after half an hour, and as you can see, it's cut up a lot of dirt. That maybe tells more about me and then the vacuum cleaner, but yeah, it seems to work really good. So I'll just test it really good when I get it all charged up again. So that's it for now. Bye.